restaurant or
So, hey guys, here we are at La Petite Chalet, located in the Kitcheru neighborhood in Kigali. I think I'm saying that correctly, but guys, walking up to the entrance of the restaurant, I knew we were in for a treat. This restaurant is absolutely amazing. I love all the French decor on the walls, very, very beautiful. And then we step outside onto the patio and it opens up to all these amazing views. All of the restaurants in Kigali have an outdoor, indoor feel, and this one was nothing short of, we were just in awe. We sat down with my brother in law and my sister in law to eat brunch. And guys, I don't know what to tell you. It is nothing like being able to have access to fresh foods, even in the restaurants. I mean, the food was amazing. So after we finished eating, we got ready to head out to do some window shopping.
So Terrell and Angel took us to this massive shopping mall. And believe it or not, you can find almost everything in here that you can expect in the States. And it's generally more affordable. Despite all the modern technology we have, some people still doubt that Africa even has restaurants. But y'all, that is so far from the truth. So after our little window shopping, my brother took us across the street to this place called Crystal Lounge for a little cocktail. And once again, so they had some type of midday happy hour and we all got our drinks and the hospitality was like A1. And I don't know what they put in my drink, but it was way too strong. But I drank it anyway because it was so good. Listen, if you ever in Kigali, make it your business to go to Crystal Lounge. It will not disappoint.
So as we're walking, we come upon this hair salon. As we go in, we notice that they specialize in locks, all kinds of locks, braids, micro locks. And just so happened the night before, I woke up and found that one of my micro locks had fallen out. So I was looking around and I saw some micro lock extensions and I inquired to see if she could actually install one for me.
Oh, that's perfect.
How much would it be for one?
One.
Just one. That one came out.
One.
000. Okay. Do I have to make an appointment? Do I need to make an
We
appointment?
can do if you want.
Do it
How
now.
long does it take?
Oh, 5 minutes?
Really?
Yeah, Michelle.
No, okay. 4 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey.
There you go.
And so this is what you guys are getting ready to see. She's getting ready to install that lock for me, y'all, in record time. So if you have locks or braids and you come over to the continent, I'm pretty sure you can find somebody to do whatever you need done to your micro locks.
Wameka akantu gafata imisatsi.
This your shop? This our shop.
Who owns this shop, Peter? Who's the owner? The owner of the shop here. You know.
Yeah.
She sure is.
Who is the owner?
Yeah.
Like, do you speak French? No?
No.
Only English.
Only
Yes, it's
English.
me.
Yes,
I
okay.
have different shop.
Yeah. So, are you?
20 years ago, I started this in
20.
Rwanda.
Okay. Oh, born and raised here in Rwanda. You're born and raised here.
Yes, I come with dreadlocks
Mm-hmm.
and to do this before not dreadlocks.
Really?
No. But now 20 years ago I started after I had more shots.
Yeah.
Can she do that to my head? Oh, that feel like it feels good. Ooh.
Just a massage.
What's your name?
Josette.
Josette.
Yes.
Josette, I'm gonna let my hair grow out just a little bit. You put some in mine?
No.
Miracle.
Miracle. Terrell, so she can do, they can do that, Peter can do that? Wow. Oh, it came back. Get that done, yes. So after they wrapped up with Michelle's hair, we came across bubble tea, or is it Boba? Well, whatever it was. We walked on in because we really didn't want any tea, but the place looks pretty cool, had a nice little vibe. So we just walked in and had a cool little floral thing going on. Yeah. So we left there and went to KFC. Now, they say KFC in other countries tastes different, so hey, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try some KFC right here in Kigali. We should be wrong this chicken here. Let's see if there's any difference. Hola.
They put the pot right on top of mine. Look. They can literally sauce in there.
The original napkin. Yeah. Taste buds, salutes. Colonel.
Colonel.
Oh, they didn't put his real name on it.
Harlan Sanders.
Ketchup tastes like tomatoes. No preservative.
Look at that little nice little thing, right?
Alright, let's try the chicken, y'all.
Hi.
It's hot.
I get sidetracked real quick. Look at it.
Oh. It's always the vibe, y'all. I'm telling you. Always. This is the Cave Coffee spot. This is where we're gonna come tomorrow, but at night it's absolutely gorgeous in here as well. Yeah, would you like to see? Look. Vibes everywhere. Y'all, this place is nice. It's cozy, it's inviting. It has this intimate feel. The vibe is there. And Shell and I, we can't wait to come and experience this place. And just when you think the vibe can't get any cooler than this, just right around the corner, there's Kigali Cigar Lounge. I love a good cigar and a nice cognac. Y'all, Kigali Lounge is fire. If you ever in Kigali, make sure you visit this place. So we wrap things up, y'all, and we're headed back home. Man, today was so full of excitement, and we can't wait until tomorrow. Listen, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. We would really appreciate it.